on Clearing the Clutter Inside and Out, we're talking about apps. Is your to-do list about to blow up with the beginning of the school year? Do you waste too much time surfing the internet or on social media? Would you like to reduce your email clutter? Learn how apps can make life easier as we end our month focusing on the end of summer.
Ready to clear your clutter and share your gifts with the world? Every Tuesday at 1 p.m., join award-winning professional organizer, author, and certified life coach Julie Coraccio as she teaches you how to navigate the waters to declutter your life. Julie destroys the box and examines clutter in all areas.
Today's episode was inspired because technology can be a great tool if we get the right ones for us. I'm not a big technology person, but when I find the right app, it really makes my life easier. As we're ending summer, starting school, changing into fall, we're probably going to have new routines and schedules. So here are some suggestions to make it easier for you. Here are some suggestions of some of my favorite apps for parents. We're all busy. We all have a lot of things to do. And these are some apps that I think you might find supportive. Remember, you have to check and make sure that they're still available. Some things like Evernote, I doubt will ever go away. But you never know. I've recommended apps only to have them disappear. Carrot and Asana. Carrot allows you to fill in a simple template, and people have used the Mad Libs-like format to set goal and reward set, called Carrot, that are silly. I am going to wake up at 6:30 a.m. and reward myself with going back to sleep at 6:45 a.m. And serious. If I run 4.5 miles tonight, then I will treat myself to a big breakfast tomorrow. Encouragement is crowdsourced from Carrot's other users and your Facebook friends. Asana, and that is A-S-A-N-A, is for tasks. It's great if you're really visual. It allows you to track projects from start to finish. Responsibilities and next steps are clear, so you can shoot for the moon and get there. Evernote is one of my favorite apps. They had Evernote Food, which I loved, and then they took it away. I can't tell you how many presentations I did recommending Evernote and Evernote Food. What I love about Evernote is it's really easy. Think of Evernote as Notebook, except on your computer. First, you can sync up to 2 devices for free, so you could have it on your computer and your smartphone or tablet. It has a great search capability. I use it to store recipes. So if I start to type in cauliflower pizza crust, cauli tots, whatever has cauliflower in it will come up. It also allows you to tag. You can create notebooks. I also used it for our honeymoon. So anything honeymoon related was in a notebook. It has lots of other advanced features, but really the basic is pretty darn good and suits a lot of people. And did I mention it's free? Fast customer. Are you like me and hate waiting on hold for customer service? Then don't. With a single tap, Fast Customer navigates the phone tree to whichever department you need, like tech support or billing. Then ring your phone once we've got an agent on the line. Gas Buddy is the best way to find the cheapest gas. When there were some pipelines shut down in the South, Gas Buddy was a lifesaver. You could go on the app and find out not only the price, but whether or not the station was even open. If you're traveling, you can use it to look for the cheapest place to buy gas. Thanks to Coupon Sherpa's mobile coupons, the days of clipping them from the newspaper are over. Now, no matter where you go, as long as you have cell service, of course, you have access to hundreds of coupons for hundreds of the most popular stores and restaurants. Are you tired of being stressed out every time school begins? Would you or your child benefit from being more organized? Ready to be on top of it all and achieve your goals? Our successful school year, get organized, clear clutter, and gain peace of mind Facebook Mastermind community can support you. More information at reawakenyourbrilliance.com under Life Organization Masterminds. Grocery IQ is an intuitive shopping list that allows you to build new lists quickly with features like predictive search and barcode scanning. You can customize the arrangement of categories within your list so you can check off items in an orderly fashion as you navigate the store. Big Oven has a database of over 200,000 recipes. Drag and drop recipes on a calendar day, week, or month. Big Oven is the most complete tool to help home cooks get inspired and organized in the kitchen and on the go. Stay Focused is a productivity extension for Google Chrome that helps you stay focused on work by restricting the amount of time you can spend on time-wasting websites. Social media, anyone? Once your allotted time has been used up, the sites you have blocked will be inaccessible for the rest of the day. Adobe Sign allows you to prepare, send, track, and manage contracts, forms, agreements, and more. Anyone can sign and return from any device. Unroll.me. Instantly see a list of all your subscription emails. Unsubscribe easily from whatever you don't want. Clean up your inbox. You can try it for free, and it is a paid subscription. If you have a lot of email, this can be a lifesaver. And finally, to avoid a Seinfeld moment, find my car. Can't remember where you parked your car? Don't worry, your iPhone will automatically. Whenever you walk away from your car, the iPhone remembers where you parked your car last. Unlike other parking apps, you only need to open the app when you are looking for your car. And don't forget to make sure that these apps are still in use. I'm recording this at a certain date. I've done other podcast episodes making suggestions for apps, but sometimes they just disappear. I'm still bitter towards Evernote for removing Evernote Food because I love that app. Take actions from today's podcast. Write down any apps you'd like to try. Examine your life. Where could an app really support you? Research any potential apps. Test drive the apps. Remove any app you are no longer using. Next month, we're talking about back to school. I gotta go back to school again. I used this last year too, just because I like to sing that little back to school song. Go out, clear the clutter to create the life you choose, deserve, and desire.
Ready to live a more joyful and fulfilling life? Sign up for our newsletter at reawakenyourbrilliance.com and receive a free copy of 10 Steps to Clearing Clutter Inside and Out. If you enjoyed today's episode, please rate and review Clearing the Clutter Inside and Out. See you next Tuesday at 1 p.m.